This is my work trailer, and for the last 2 years, it's been putting in absolute work hauling around my mower and way more weight than it ever should have been carrying. Now that the dump trailer is finally going to be finished soon, it'll just be hauling the mower. So we're going to give it a nice little facelift and fix a few of the spots that aren't so great about it. So you might be thinking, oh, so you're going to get rid of those boards? No, we're going to leave those boards because those boards are holding on the wheel well and that busted side over there. And I don't really want to replace that. But we're going to fix the wiring that's hanging in the middle because I said I was going to fix that when I set that up quickly the day before I needed to take it out when I first got it. And I never fixed it since then. We're going to fix this ratchet strap that's holding the entire back side of the frame together by making a little brace that's going to connect these two together. Same on the other side, because the person who I bought this trailer from just did it with 2 bolts. I guess you could do it that way. But I bought this trailer for $600 when we started the company, and honestly, it's been great. Put new tires on it this year. I had to re-support these braces because one of them snapped on me, so I remade this hinge out of a bolt. Don't judge me. It works. But yeah, this thing's not perfect and it's never going to be perfect, but we're going to clean it up, do a few little things, and then give it a paint job so that it looks good. Because this thing looks good, so I want this to look good at least. Doesn't actually have to be that good. We're also going to fix the ground here because it is just a self-tapper and it falls out constantly. But yeah, this side's obviously broken, but I've re-supported it so much that it's so solid. It's just going to be an absolute nightmare to take apart, and it's worked like that for 2 years. It's going to continue to work like it now, so why not leave it? These axles are in no way straight, but camber's for cool kids, so that's what I always thought, so we're cambered out. But yeah, so I'm going to show you cutting up the patches and welding these on. We'll put a bolt up in the front there. There's a few other little things. Oh, we'll clean up the wiring, duh. And then we'll get this thing cleaned up and give it a nice little paint job to match this trailer. Just a quick little fix. Get it on its way, and I'll put it up on some blocks for the winter because the winter is here and this thing is done. It's done for the year, so time to put it away.
Serving off the 85, but you wrong. Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving off the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Ain't give me none, shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm giving up, I don't give no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want. Serving off the 85, but you wrong. Only love when I'm by myself. Ain't give me none, shorty bad, but she white as hell. I'm giving it up, I don't give no fucks. Oh, you say it's what you want.
Okay, so it's a little dark, but I got these done the other day. We had some snow and stuff, and I've been doing some other work, but we're back to this now. We got it all cleaned out. There was a lot of grime in here. We got the wiring tucked up pretty well, and I don't know what, the phone died when I was recording these, so I don't know if you saw the whole thing being welded, but we got little caps made. We're going to grind them up, I'm gonna take a knife, cut this off because we don't need that there anymore. And then we're gonna take the torch and we're gonna torch the bottom of this and try to dry it up because the rest of it's all dry. It's 7 degrees today, it's supposed to be warm tomorrow. So I'm gonna paint this thing, and then I got the garage all cleaned out, so I'm gonna pull it into the garage. Let it cure for a few days, should be good. But we gotta get this thing on. Hopefully I don't burn it down. Should be fine. We'll just use the torch to kind of dry up this wet bottom a little. Just get it dry enough that it can be painted, you know? But anyway, let's get that cut and then we'll get these grinded quickly. Alright, it's looking pretty good. It's not supposed to rain tonight, so I'm going to leave it out because I painted the hitch. But then tomorrow I'm going to drag it inside because it's supposed to rain after that. So we'll get it put in the garage and I'll show you it in the morning. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. Got a nice black on. Just a quick refresh. This thing gets beaten and abused, so I don't want to go too crazy on it because it's going to get beaten again. So we'll just keep it up, keep it painted black. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. Okay, there we have it. All black, looking good. It's been a couple days and it's all dried now. But man, for a quick little refresh, I'm really happy with it. It is a work trailer, so it's gonna get banged up, so we'll just respray it again. I obviously wasn't trying to go too crazy on it like I said, but it's ready for next season. It'll match this thing and it won't look so cheap when I'm driving around, you know? Just a slightly better look. But I'm really happy with it. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Give me a like if you liked it. Thanks for watching.